Hello everyone and welcome to this Heygen avatar tutorial where we'll be showing you how to create an AI avatar for free. You can check the link in the description below for Heygen in order to gain access. And right away, right here on Heygen, we're going to go over to the top left area. You can see create video or create a team, and then you have at the bottom avatar. When you click on avatar, you can see different options right here. Now here we're going to click on create new avatar. Now there are three options. You could either create a hyper-realistic avatar where you get to upload or record a video to create a lifelike avatar with realistic motion and customizable links. Then you also have the second option, custom photo avatar, where you use existing photos to create a new avatar and multiple looks. Then at the third option, you can generate an avatar by describing its appearance and attributes with text prompts. So you could go through any of these options, but in this tutorial, we'll be choosing custom photo avatar. Click on it, and then right here, we will be dragging and dropping photos to upload. Here you can see upload photos of your avatar and upload photos to create multiple looks of your avatar. So now we've selected some photos and you can see photo requirements, and then you can see the difference between good photos and bad photos. For example, you want recent photos of yourself showing a mix of close-ups and full body shots with different angles. And here we can see we've done a pretty nice job. So let's go ahead and click on upload. So here you can see that these three photos have been accepted and we're going to click on continue. So here we're going to provide some details that are required for this avatar, such as name, age, gender. Ethnicity is not required, so we could just fill in what is required. So here you can see the name, Jake, age, young adult, as you have categories for age, and then you have the gender. So we've also selected this, then click on continue. Now here you have the option to choose a voice or add a voice. We're going to click on choose a voice for me. So here you also have avatar voices. Remember we asked Heygen to choose a voice, and you can see here Jake, voice 1. We're going to listen to it.
Hi, I'm a generated voice and this is how I sound. This is a quick demonstration of my vocal abilities.
Okay, so that sounds okay. And we're going to take that, and here you can see you have options to upload more photos, and it says upload more to have better results. But we have these three pictures and we're going to go ahead and work with it. And here you have generate looks, train AI model, and you could upload more photos, but we have just about 3 and that's fine. But if you have more, you could upload 7 more by using the upload photos and decide to train the model. Do take note that if you want to use this option, you'll need to have the pay plan. Alright, so we have these 3 and we're going to click on generate looks to close this up. So we have these 3. So depending on what you want to do, you can click on this one. And here you have add motion, edit look, or you can go ahead and create with AI Studio. You can choose between landscape and portrait, depending on what you want for your video output. And so we're going to go ahead and choose a portrait. And here we could write our script or upload an audio. So we're going to write a bit of a script right here and click on generate. So here we have something basic, just some text for our newly created avatar to speak on. Of course, you have some other settings right here. You could go through all of them to customize what you want, but we're fine with this. And we're going to go over to the top right corner, click on generate. We're going to give the file a name. You have your location, resolution, FPS, and format. You could leave those. Click on submit. Great. And so we have our video ready from our newly created AI avatar. Let's try it out. Click on play.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake. As a system analyst, I get to dive deep into how businesses work, figure out the tech puzzles, and design smart solutions to make things run smoother and more efficiently.
Okay, from the neck upwards, everything is looking animated and looking nice. Of course, at the bottom, you can see that the hands are still in the pocket and it's looking very static. However, this is what you get from your AI avatar, and this is how you can create your AI avatar right here on Heygen. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try out Heygen for yourself. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.